Welcome to this lesson on polynomial division. Today, we're going to learn how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial using the long division method. Specifically, we'll divide a squared plus 2 minus 3 by a plus 3. Let's approach this step by step using polynomial long division, which is similar to the long division method you might remember from arithmetic. I'll set up the division problem in a format that makes it easier to follow the steps. The first step in polynomial division is to divide the highest degree term of the dividend by the highest degree term of the divisor. In our case, we divide a squared by a, which gives us a. Next, we multiply this result by the divisor. So we calculate a times of plus 3, which equals a squared plus 3a. Then, we subtract this result from the dividend. We get a squared plus 2a minus 3 minus a squared plus 3a, which simplifies to negative a minus 3. We continue the process. We divide the highest term of the new polynomial by the highest term of the divisor. So negative a divided by gives us negative 1. Now, we multiply negative 1 by the divisor. Negative 1 times a plus 3 gives us negative a minus 3. Finally, we subtract this result from our previous remainder. Negative a minus 3 minus negative a minus 3 equals 0. Since our remainder is 0, the division is exact, and our answer is a minus 1. Let's verify our answer by multiplying the divisor by the quotient and checking if we get the original dividend. The divisor is a plus 3, and the quotient is a minus 1. When we multiply them, we get a plus 3 times a minus 1 equals a squared minus a plus 3a minus 3, which simplifies to a squared plus 2a minus 3. That matches our original dividend, so our answer is correct. To summarize, polynomial division follows these key steps. First, divide the highest degree term of the dividend by the highest degree term of the divisor. Second, multiply the result by the divisor. Third, subtract this product from the dividend. Fourth, repeat the process with the remainder until the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. In our case, we found that a squared plus 2a minus 3 divided by a plus 3 equals a minus 1. Thank you for watching. I hope this lesson helped you understand polynomial division.